Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most timeless and elegant makeup looks, the classic red lip and winged liner. This look is perfect for any formal event, a date night, or whenever you want to feel effortlessly glamorous. Plus, I'll be reviewing some of my go-to products to achieve a flawless and long-lasting finish. Let's get started. First things first, we need a flawless base. Depending on your skin type, start with a hydrating or mattifying primer. For that classic vintage feel, go with a matte foundation, or choose a dewy one for a modern touch. I'm using Flawless Foundation name, which is long wear and gives medium to full coverage. Next, brighten those under eyes and cover any blemishes with Full Coverage Concealer name. It's lightweight yet provides high coverage. Now let's keep the eyes clean with a light neutral eyeshadow. I'm grabbing a light beige from the Neutral Eyeshadow Palette name. This will be our subtle base, keeping the focus on our bold eyeliner and red lips. Time to create that sharp, precise winged eyeliner. I love using smudge-proof liquid eyeliner name because it's long-lasting and comes with a precise applicator. If you need to, clean up the edges with a bit of concealer for that crisp, professional look. Trust me, it makes a difference. Now for the star of the show, a bold red lipstick. First, line your lips with lip liner name to prevent any bleeding. Then apply iconic red lipstick name, which is the perfect red for all skin tones. Whether you prefer matte or satin, this red will make a statement. To finish off the look, lightly contour and highlight for that polished finish. I'm using matte bronzer name for a subtle contour on my cheekbones and jawline. For a soft glow, apply glow highlighter name on the high points of your face. This is where the magic happens. And there you have it, the timeless red lip with a fierce winged liner. This is my go-to when I want to feel instantly confident and elegant. Would you rock this classic glam? Let me know in the comments and share your favorite red lipstick with me. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. And if you loved this look, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!